Alright, so we're going to look at how to solve linear simultaneous equations. We have four basic methods in which we can use to solve them, but let's have a look at method of elimination for today. Alright, with the method of elimination is very simple. It's just that sometimes students might mix it up. So let's say we have the number 4 and we want to eliminate this number 4, as in we want to get rid of it, as in we want it to be 0. So what can we do to 4 to make it 0? This 4 is positive. What's the opposite of positive? Opposite of positive is negative. Now if I should minus 4 here, 4 minus 4 gives us 0. If I have negative 3, what can I do to eliminate this 3? I can add 3, so it gives us 0. So basically with the method of elimination, we need to have the same number, opposite signs. But with the case of solving simultaneous equations, we need the same coefficients but different signs. So let's say if we can solve question number 1. For question number 1, we have 4x minus 4y equal to 2, 7x plus 2y equal to 17. So let's rewrite this. So we have 4x minus 4y equal to 2, and we have 7x plus 2y equal to 17. So as I solve each question, I'm going to prove it. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now, as I was saying before, remember, to eliminate, we can eliminate either the x or the y's. Now, up to you which one you want to choose to eliminate. But the thing is, remember, we need the same coefficient, as in this 4, we try to turn this 4. This is 4, so we're going to try to turn this 2 into 4. Yeah, so but the thing is, we need opposite signs, and they are opposites already. This one is negative, this one is positive. The only thing we need to change is 2 into 4. So what can I do to equation 2 to change this 2 into 4? If I'm going to change this 2 into 4, I'm going to have to change everything. So we can multiply equation 2 by 2. So I'm just going to rewrite equation 1. So I'm going to have 4x minus 4y equal to 2. Now I'm going to multiply all of equation 2 by 2. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to distribute the 2 inside the brackets. So I'm going to have 14x plus 4y equal to 2 times 14 or 30. 2 times 17 is 34. Sorry. So now we can eliminate. So we can just add one plus sign here. So now 4x plus 14x is 18x. Now we have negative 4y, positive 4y, that's 0, equal to 2 plus 34 gives us 36. So as you can see, we have gotten rid of the y's, so we are only left with just the x. So we have 18x equal to 36. We need to find the value of x. What can we do to get rid of the 18? Right now the 18 is multiplied onto the x. So what's the opposite of multiplication? Opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide both sides by 18. 18 cancel 18, meaning 18 to itself 1, 18 to 18, 1 times x is just x, and 18 into 36 is 2. Now we have gotten a value for x, so we need to find a corresponding value for y. So let's see how we can do this. So remember, value for x is 4, so we can write when x is equal to 2, y is equal to question sign. Don't know as yet, so sorry about the little mistakes that I've said during the video. Hopefully you'll understand it properly. So I'm just going to rewrite equation 1. Now we have a value for x. To get the value for y, we can use any of these equations. So let's use equation 1. Anyone is simpler to you, use that one. So I'm going to use equation 1. Equation 1 is 4x plus, sorry, this should be minus this should be minus. So 4x minus 4y equal to 2. So remember, the value of x is 2. So wherever I see x, I'm going to substitute 2. So I can write 4 bracket 2 minus 4y equal to 2. 4 2 is 8 minus 4y equal to 2. Now I can collect like terms. This is positive 8. When I bring it over the equal sign, it's going to turn negative. So I'm going to have negative 4y equal to 2 minus 8. Now, with this minus 8, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to have minus 4y equal to negative 6. We need the value of y, so I'm going to divide this side by negative 4, divide this side by negative 4. So y is equal to negative divided by negative is positive, and 2 into 4, 2, 2 into 6, 3. Positive 3 over 2. So we can put these values in coordinate form. Put them in coordinate form. Coordinate form, we have x comma y. So the x value is 2, and the y value is 3 over 2. So as I said, I'm going to prove the simultaneous equation. How am I going to prove the simultaneous equation? By substituting the corresponding values into both equations. Once we get them to be equal to the respective values, that means the solutions are correct. So the proof for the first equation, we have 4x minus 4y equal to 2. So let's substitute. Remember, x is 2, y is 3 over 2. So we have 4 times 2 minus 4 times 3 over 2. Remember, the answer should be 2. So 4 2s 8. Now we have a whole number multiplied by a fraction. So 2 into itself 1, 2 into 4 2, 2 3s, that will give us 6, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So you realize that the values work in the first equation. Now let's test it in the second equation and see if it's correct. If I'm moving too fast, you can pause the video, look what I did, and then continue. So the second equation, we had 7x plus 2y equal to 17. So we're going to substitute the corresponding values. So 7 times 2 plus 2 bracket, the y value was 3 over 2, and we should get 17 as the result. Now 2 7s 14 plus this 2 is going to cancel this 2. So remember, when we are multiplying, this 2 is a whole number, so it's 2 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 2.